Hi there. Welcome to Salesforce Connector for Monday.com installation guide. In order to install the app, visit App Exchange and look up for Salesforce Connector for Monday.com. App Exchange will show you a listing of applications with matching result. Choose the first option available from the list and select Get It Now in order to install the app. Choose the environment you want. I'm proceeding with the installation in production. And Salesforce show me the confirm installation detail. I'll proceed to scroll down to the terms and condition. I accept the terms and condition, and in case if I want to be contacted by the provider of the app, I'll choose allow provider to contact me. Confirm and install. Now Salesforce require me to log into the system. I'm already logged in before, so I just choose my account. And from the three options, I choose the option to install for all users and click on install. Salesforce also provide me the grant access option for Monday.com API, which I'll check and click on continue. Now the app is going to be installed in my Salesforce org. Whenever the installation is completed, I'll just receive an email confirming that the installation has been successful. Thank you.